water getting nice. It was very nice. Children, they like these games a lot. And for as though the mothers at home, they can use it for washing clothes. They can use it for giving water to the plants.
This is a carnival slash amusement park. Basically, this is just a representation of how a carnival is actually supposed to. So this is how it works. This is all powered by motors and wires, and that's how it is.
This is water filtration. This is the dirty water. As you can see, the difference between the dirty water and the clean water. You put dirty water inside the stones, right here, stones, and then it goes down to the other part of the stones, pebbles, and it goes to the bottom. This makes it clean and drinkable water.
So I made this project, I made this system which is called rainwater harvesting system. So the first step, it is called collection of water. So this, whenever it rains, so this plastic bowl which is called a tank, the rain, it collects all of it. Then it will flow to the filtration where it purifies the water. I use cotton, small pebbles, coal and big pebbles. Then after that it will go to the tank where all the clean water is stored. We can use it by washing the clothes, washing the car, we can play swimming pool, we can water the plants and trees, and in indoor we can use by washing machine, dishwasher, a hot tub, bath or shower, toilet flushing, utility sink and food plants.
This turns into electrical energy which supplies the city.
So mechanical energy is transferred into electrical energy.
Yes.
And then the fan.
Yes.
So it's a renewable thing.
Yes. And if we don't have any mechanical energy, the fan can move still. When we open the lid of the bottle, we can see the water is coming out. And when we close the lid, the water is not coming out. So the basic science behind this is when we open the lid of the bottle, the air enters the bottle and gives a pressure to the water so the water can come out. And when we close it, so no air enters the bottle, so that's why the water doesn't come out.